Today I would like to discuss strings, fret height, neck adjustment. I made this purchase about 8 months ago. This is American Acoustasonic Tele, and my strings are original that came with the guitar. I'm not sure what Fender uses, but one of the strings has deadened out. Plus, I'm having a little bit of buzz. I'll demonstrate. Sounds rather well. Now, here's the dead string. Almost has a buzz to it. And when I go up the fret, there it's clean. Now that could be height on your fret. However, when it was new, it played alright. So I'm thinking there's just a problem with the string. So I'm going to change the strings and see if it solves a lot of this buzzing. Because like when you're playing a chord, it's harder to get real close to the end of the fret and you get a buzz. Well, I'll play a little tune and give you an example. Right there. But if I readjust, so, strings, probably a year old because who knows how long it was in stock before I purchased it. So, we got old strings and this thing sounds pretty good. So we're going to compare it to the new strings. Here's my string of choice, the Dario, Phosphorus Bronze. And I get the acoustic version because this is mainly acoustic. And I always get 11 through 52. I want the third string wound, and the original strings that came on it, the third is wound. So these give a nice warm tone. As you heard, this sounded pretty good. I have no clue what's on it. So let me get this on there and we'll see if that third string is not deadened anymore. Color code it for less disturbance on the neck pressure. I always do one string at a time. I know it's not that big a deal. It's just how I do it. I don't go in here with a pair of side cutters and go. It's such a shock to the system. And also I want minimal movement on that neck to compare the buzzing. Also, you can tune to the other strings that are already in tune. So you get it pretty close as you go. I gave it a sound check. I'll probably have to make some adjustments. New strings always sound different, but it's still at the same settings. Sounds really good, and the dead string is gone. These strings sound so good when they're fresh. So, there's a little bit of deadness right here. This one right here. So that could be a slight adjustment on that fret. Of course, a slight neck adjustment would probably fix that. I'm happy with it. Alright, enough of that. So, if I do attempt a neck adjustment, I'll post a video for that. However, this serves as strings. It's a string video, and I have a video when I first made this purchase, everything about the guitar, the process I went through, eBay. I'll post the link. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps someone.